Markets charging higher. Dead cat bounce or real rally? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, May the 20th. And this update will be brought to you by the CTG Group. That is our futures and commodities broker. They're the only ones authorized for letter of direction trading. We do have other brokers, just to give you full disclosure. But for letter of direction, they're the best. They got the best customer service. They've got the best people. And they've got some great managed futures products. So you want to check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, markets are soaring higher. No, soaring, but the Dow is up 131. The NASDAQ is soaring. It's up 200. S&P's up 28. NASDAQ, the Russell is just really to be up 43. It's been down as much as 150. I don't know. I'm beyond words as to what is all happening here today. Again, it's very much news driven, light volume and panic driven. So we'll see. We are short across the board. That has not changed, and I don't think it should change, to be quite frank. Now, again, I can't listen. I cannot tell the future, unfortunately. But my guess is that. That this is just a pop here and a pop before a drop. But again, we'll see. I can't say for sure either way. In the precious metals, gold, silver, and platinum are all slightly lower. We're long them all, but they've had some nice action. And of course, you look at the action in general and the way they've kind of stair-stepped their ways up. Very nicely done, and looks like they want to go higher. Very marginally lower. And of course, platinum, we don't trade anymore because it is not liquid enough for us. And the bonds and notes are soaring higher. I mean, that is actually the correct way that they should be going based on what the imbeciles from the Federal Reserve are doing. Okay. But in general, okay, they should be going down because interest rates should be going up. But we're long, so I guess I can't complain. Copper is slightly lower today after yesterday's beatdown. Nat gas is lower and back down to about 291, and we are still long. We are long copper as well. The dollar is getting smushed once again, and now under that 90 level, which is what we've been talking about for weeks. Look, I can't. What can I tell you? It's a pig. Okay, because this is all based on the Federal Reserve and the ridiculous work that they're doing, and whatever they're doing is a joke. Okay, it creates the manipulation that many of you talk about. Okay, so again, as we look further into the overall pictures, of course, the grain markets, which we are now short across the board, are all slightly higher today. Corn, the big winner, up 6 cents. Wheat down, and beans up a penny after being down about 13 cents. In the meats department, which we are long across the board, you've got hogs higher and both fats and feeders lower. Again, it's a very tough, challenging market to deal with at the moment. That's all I can tell you. I mean, look. This is why we do what we do, because we don't have to think about it nor make decisions during the day. I think this is where you get yourself into trouble because you get involved in markets that really don't want you to be involved. Okay. In the softs department, cotton is lower. We're short. Coffee is higher. We're long. Sugar is slightly higher. We're short. Cocoa is lower. We're long. And OJ is higher, and we are long. So, look, at the end of the day, we got the PGA. That's what I'm looking forward to today. It's already started, obviously, and I don't see much going on. I think this is going to be another quiet snooze fest garbage market to deal with. But, again, we'll always be ready to rock. And, of course, don't forget about our other brokerage partner. And, again, we have other equity brokers as well. But for equities and options, there is nothing like Tradier. And, of course, it's $10 a month, which is the biggest bonus. But we also have their APIs, which allow us to automate your trading if you choose. You don't have to do it. It's not a requirement. It is free. It is part of your membership if you choose to do so. And I know that they're thinking about offering another course, which, of course, guess who will be teaching it? But so they're a great organization looking to help educate their people. And in our partnership with Family Farms, it couldn't be better. I mean, obviously, I would love to be in much closer contact, and I think we will now that the pandemic appears to be over. But at the end of the day, we're doing a live event in July, but also we should hit the road and start to go out and visit some farms as well. So very exciting, very good partnership. And of course, I can't wait for the Calcutta at the dinner. And of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. If you're a commodities trader, there ain't nothing better. And if you're not using it, shame on you. Go to BUBBATrading.com. It's called Technomental. And of course, our high school program at patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meanwhile, have a great day. Enjoy the PGA. And of course, we'd like Bryson DeChambeau, as we told you, along with Lee Burns and a couple of the others. But have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.